Hello guys, and don't mind me. Just going to. It's fine. Don't worry about that. Today I'm going to Noosa. Yeah, I'm going to Noosa, by the way, guys.
You're in a public place in Australia, you're allowed to be bigger.
Yeah, so I'm just walking to the gate, and so remember that video I made? It's called Update 1. It was in a spray paint game, and listen to this. Oh, not us. So I'm going on a Jetstar, airbus A321 actually. They changed the aircraft to an airbus A321, and it's JQ794. And we're going back on JQ795, I think, and I think then we're going on airbus A320-232 on the way back. So yeah, it's a massive tail Jetstar. Yeah, I'm going to Noosa. I'm going to see my friend there. My sister's boarding at the same time as us. It is almost 9:20, just about 9:20 right now, I think. And yeah, we're just walking to our gate. What gate is it?
42.
Yeah, we're going to gate 42, and as you see, gate 41 to 52. So our gates here. Oh yeah, guys. A 777 Cathay Pacific all the way to Hong Kong just took off. It's about an 8 to 9 hour flight. You guys didn't see it, sorry. It's because the wind, it's too high. I'm a shorty. Yeah, there was a 777 Cathay Pacific going all the way from Melbourne Airport to Hong Kong. And it's about an 8 to 9 hour flight. And yeah. So as we walk towards our gate, you do not know how excited I am. By the way, guys, this is my first time ever going on an Airbus A321. I know it's basically the same as an Airbus A320, just the Airbus A321's longer. So, yeah, it's my first time actually flying on the Airbus A321. I do not know what model it is, but because it's my first time and I don't really know much about the Airbus A321s, but all I know is about it's basically the same as the Airbus A320, it's just longer the Airbus A321. And as you can see, it's really busy. One time we were late and we all had to run from the bathroom to our gate. Ooh, nice place over here. Oh, that's our flight. That's our flight. This is our gate.
Let's go back to the bar.
Why'd they delay our flight?
I don't know.
Jetstar, I guess. They delayed our bloody flight. Bloody hell. But they said JQ794 is now delayed. Did they say that?
Yeah, now delayed by half an hour.
Jetstar these days.
Maybe.
Yeah, I'll record when we get to our gate. Okay guys, so they've just done an update. We can board in 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes I think. Luckily, so it's not too far. We're gonna wait at the gate and we can just yeah. So they've updated us that the aircraft is nice and clean And I think that's our aircraft.
Yep, that's
And we're going on the rare livery of Jetstar with the orange tail, which is very cool. Let me go show you the cool livery. Pretty sure this is like a type of rare livery. See all the amazing crew members. Yeah, it's an Airbus A321. It's beautiful. I already told you it is. Yeah, that's the update. So now we're boarding in 20 minutes, and that's just the update, guys. Okay, guys. So now the line's moving. The delay's finished. We're boarding the plane. The line goes all the way down there. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry, Mum. Yeah. Just about to hop on the plane. Just walking down. Line's moving smooth. There's the outside. This isn't our aircraft. This is just a different aircraft. That's not our aircraft. Still, it was almost like an hour delay. Like literally. Finally, we're boarding. Yeah. Pictures. So many different things. The line slowed down a little, but you know, it's fine. Guys, we're about to get on. We're so close. It's my first time going on a plane in like 1.5 years. I don't know. Oh my god. Obviously I've been on a plane before. Been on like so many planes before. So many. Don't worry, I've been on so many planes, as you guys know. Alright.
Thank you, Francis.
Oh my god, I actually can't believe I'm recording right now. Beautiful aircraft. Okay, gotta keep it down. 787.
Going up the stairs.
Nah, it's on. 787 Jetstar just took off. This is our aircraft. There are doggies in there. There are dogs in there. There's doggies in there. Hey. You can take a photo of me if you want. Huh? Engine. Had to have a photo. This aircraft is beautiful. Jetstar Airbus A321. Beautiful livery. This is my first time going on it. I know a little bit about them, but not much. Still, it's going to be amazing. We're in front of the engine, by the way, guys. Like in the front, so we'll be able to see this engine in progress. I can't wait to hear any signs that you see on board. Smoking is not permitted anytime anyone on board the aircraft, including in the bathroom. It's our pleasure to have you on board with us today. Thank you. Holy moly! That thing's beating. This thing's loud. Oh, that's loud. Now you'll be right. No, they're pumping it. I literally love Jetstar for some reason. I literally love them. Mom, do I have to show you this? That Jetstar Airbus A320 is parking. Getting on the plane.
Hello. Thanks, Oliver. If you're sitting in an exit row or at the bulkhead, you'll need to put all your belongings in the overhead lockers. Your seatbelt can now be fastened, ready for departure. Smoking, vaping, and the use of e-cigarettes is not permitted on board.
Okay guys, we're on the bloody disappointing. Oh, it's the Airbus A321neo, guys. This is disappointing. You can't even see it. You can't see the.
Next time we'll just stay at home.
No, we can't even see the engine. We're too far forward. No. Very disappointed. Playground. I'm a kid, so we did playground. Oh, this is disappointing. Oh no, it's okay. Never mind. I can do it like this.
Yeah, there you go.
Never mind, guys. I just have to do it like that. Holy crap, we are high. Jetstar's boarding music is nice. Nice flight attendants. So Airbus A321neo. Mom, these are the safest aircraft basically ever made. The Neos, they're brand new. Issue 1. Okay. Jetstar's entertainment. Yeah, this is the device holder. It's meant for. I've seen it. Oh, we're moving though. Already like this. Check out the tray table. Sorry, I'm holding with one hand. So it's an extended one. Not bad. I'm gonna put it back up for safety reasons. Beautiful aircraft, guys. Hang on, I have to tighten my seat up. Alrighty, guys. I don't know where to put the camera, so I'm just gonna. Yeah, let's run the plane. Mum, we taking the Airbus A320 back?
Sorry?
Are we taking the Airbus A320 back? Are we in front or behind?
Yeah, I think, I don't know, similar seats, I think.
Oh, I wish we would go back. Oh my god. Still disappointed about where I'm sitting, but you know, it'll be alright. You guys can see the engine. She's at the wind forward a lot. Like, I'm leaning forward a lot. Actually, it's okay. It's good. I might loosen it so I can lean forward a little bit more. Sorry, guys. I like Jetstar's boarding and stuff. Not much is happening yet. Totally safe. Just kidding. Hang on. Guys, I might stop recording for a second because I don't want to. My iPad storage is pretty full, so I'm gonna stop recording and then record when we're actually moving.
An hour and 57 minutes. My name is Lisa, I'll be your cabin manager on board today's flight. On behalf of the team, I'd like to extend a warm welcome to you. My captain is Darren Henderson. Joining us in the flight deck is Julian DeMarco. For those of you that are still wearing face masks, we ask that these are not placed in seat pockets to remain aboard this aircraft. So you'll have to, we do have additional masks and wipes available, just ask for proof if you'd like these. We do thank you for respecting each other and our crew today to ensure a safe and comfortable flight. So we do ask that you report any unacceptable behaviour to a member of the crew. We do apologise for the delay. This aircraft got in from Bali and had to be towed over from International, and then it did have to be catered and cleaned. We'll be on our way shortly. In the meantime, make yourself comfortable. Once again, welcome on board.
Beautiful. She handled that like a shit.
She did?
I love Jetstar flight attendants. They're so kind.
I did again.
The main cabin doors about to be closed. This is JQ794 through the Sunshine Coast. Remain seated with seatbelts fastened if you have not done so. Switch all electronic devices to flight mode.
Talking about them. Oh, doors are closed, guys. Doors are closed. Okay, guys, the doors have closed. Nice and snug. Pilot's probably going to do their briefing. They're talking about a person. those.
arm doors.
Not much is happening, guys, so I don't know what to do. You can skip towards when we start moving. I can just do that.
Did you put it onto airplane mode?
Just talking to the captain, I think, or the other flight attendants at the other end.
If oxygen is required, you must remove your face mask while putting on an oxygen mask that may drop from the panel above you. We do no harm, so you watch the crew member nearest you while we demonstrate the safety features on board this Airbus A321.
Neo, I finished a sentence off. I don't know what's safer, an Airbus
Hello
A320?
again.
Yes,
we want
I
you
love
to
this
have a
announcement.
safe and enjoyable flight.
I love
So
it.
please listen closely while we take you through the safety requirements for our Airbus A321 Neo.
No, just kidding, yeah.
Your crew are highly trained to help
Yeah.
keep you safe. So
Yeah.
make sure you listen to and follow their instructions. As we get underway, please make sure your personal electronic devices are in a flight safe mode or otherwise completely switched off. Electronic devices should not be placed into seatback holders for takeoff. Unplug any cables from the seat in front. Your carry-on baggage and larger electronic devices should now be placed either under the seat in front of you or in an overhead locker. Check that your seat back is upright, your tray table is stowed away, your armrest is lowered, and your window shade is open. The seatbelt sign above you will be illuminated whenever you must have your seatbelt fastened. To fasten your seatbelt, clip the buckle and
Oh, I love
clasp,
it. I
and
love the
pull on the
flight
loose
attendants.
strap to tighten. Undo the seatbelt by lifting the buckle flap. The seatbelt is most effective when worn low, tight, and throughout the entire flight. Make sure you're familiar with the brace position best suited to your seat. The onboard safety instruction card in your seat pocket shows pictures of your brace position along with other important safety information. The A321 Neo
We're
has
moving.
10 emergency exits,
Bloody
which
hell,
will
we're
now show
moving.
you.
I just felt it
2 at the
jolt.
front, 4 over the wing, 2 behind the wing, and 2 at the back of the cabin. Lights will illuminate, showing you the path to follow to these exits. If we need to leave the aircraft quickly, taking your personal items with you will slow you down. So please
Guys, I'm
leave everything behind.
You do not know
If
how
a mask
excited I
like
am.
this appears from above you, pull
Oxygen
it down
mask.
firmly to start a supply of oxygen. Quickly put it over your mouth and nose and breathe normally. Keep the mask in place by fitting and tightening the strap, and then help others around you. There is a life jacket located in a pouch under your seat. If it's required, remove the life jacket from the pouch, place it over your head, pass the strap around your back, clip it at the front, and then pull on the loose strap to tighten. Only inflate your life jacket as you leave the aircraft by pulling down on the red tag. You can top up your life jacket by blowing into this mouthpiece. The life jacket also has a whistle
Engine start.
and a light to attract
Engine
attention.
starting, guys.
There are emergency escape and flotation devices accessible from each exit and life rafts at the rear of the aircraft. By law, you must not tamper with or remove any aircraft equipment unless authorised.
What does that mean?
You must comply with any instructions from our crew and any signs that you see on board. Smoking is not permitted anytime, anywhere on board the aircraft, including in the bathrooms. It's our pleasure to have you on board with us today,
And we hope
and we hope you have an enjoyable flight.
Thanks for listening. Thanks for listening. The engine's starting, guys. The little car thingy, pushback car, is pulling us right now. The engines are still in engine start. They're still starting up. Happy New Year, guys. Here we go. Now we can hear it. Hang on. Airbus A321 Neo. Beautiful engine. I just had a look.
Pringles or toasties?
We'll do that in the air. Alright, engine 1 is started, engine 2, I don't know. I think they started engine 2 first and then engine 1, or I could be wrong. This can be engine 1, I'm on the right side of the aircraft, this can be engine 1, and that could be engine 2. That could be engine 2 over there, this could be engine 1. Oh my god, I'm so excited guys. The plane as it's starting up. Beautiful lights. Nice. Airbus A321 Neo, safety instructions. Getting faster, much faster. Engine start. Alright guys, this is actually insane. Alright, so engine starting now. Alright, there's the Airbus A320 I think was coming in that I saw before, but yeah. Airbus press them on the ground. Airbus A350 Thai Airways 787 Jetstar and I think that's a 787 Qantas. It's happening. So the plane's about to move with the engine power. Okay guys, the plane's about to move with this just engine power. It's just the Airbus A320 there. Oh yeah guys, on the way back from Noosa on the 14th of January, I'll be going, I think, an Airbus A320, if not this plane again, the Airbus A321 Neo. There's actually United Airlines over there, see? Hard to see, but there is a United Airlines up there. Okay, we're moving with engine power, I think. Yay! I want to hear the engine buzz as we take off. I wonder if we'll do an instant takeoff or just wait at the wait like on the runway and then take off. Who knows? Anything can happen. Anything could happen. My sister's already left to go to Noosa. We would have been we would have been boarding at the same time as her because our flights were at the same time. She's on a Qantas Boeing 737-800. I don't know her flight number, but yeah. Oh no! Don't tell me we're gonna end up like KLM and Pan Am. Don't end up like them. Oh crap! Come on, Jetstar. What is going on? We're safe. We're turning elbows though. What am I even talking about? Sorry guys, I'm just so excited. Melbourne Airport bus down there. See? These aircrafts look beautiful. The spoilers went up. The ailerons go down? Slats, whatever you call them. Not ailerons, slats. Bumpy. Oh, here we go. Past the 787. Oh, my arm's getting a bit sore from holding it, but you know, what's happening? It's an engine. See? The Jetstar Boeing 787-8 Dreamliner. Yeah. And here's a Thai Airways Airbus A350. Just gone past it. I actually have no idea what airline this is. It's like a blue airline over there. I know that's Singapore right there. But then there's China Southern Airlines, Thai Airways, and a different airline that I have no idea of. And then there's 777 of United Airways and a 787 of a United Airways. Beautiful types of aircraft. Please, there goes. If you're hearing this, I don't know why I said that. Oh yeah, if you're watching and you haven't yet, please like and subscribe. Ooh, Malaysia Airlines. Oh, we just missed it. Wait. Oh, never mind. Wait. Qantas, Boeing, not Boeing, Airbus A330. See Malaysia Airlines, right there. I think that's Malaysia Airlines. It's really bumpy. And see out that window. Never mind. I'm going pretty quick. Ooh, and Emirates Airbus A380. Beautiful aircraft. Do you know the Airbus A380 is my favorite Airbus aircraft ever? Sorry, I just need my arm is a little break. My left arm. I'm holding with one arm, which is my good arm. I don't know why this reminds me of the Concorde view. I'm not that old. Just I've seen on YouTube videos it looks like this, but it's much louder in the Concorde. We're turning. I have two windows, that's why. No idea what's happening. Oh yeah, we're going to the runway. Well, I want to play PTFS right now. PTFS. I want to play that in Roblox. Oh, we just stopped because we're waiting for our turn on the runway. Well, crossing runway. Waiting for our turn to cross the runway. That's what I meant to say. We might see a plane zoom past. I actually have no idea. Oh, it's a ground vehicle. I don't know where he's gone. There we go. I saw it. We saw it. Oh, here we go. We're moving. That was beautiful. This almost sounds like the 777 when it accelerated. Low key, it sort of does. Oh, Virgin Australia. Taking off. This our runway? Nope. This ain't our runway. Or is it? No. No, it isn't. Actually, yes, it is. We're just... Oh, I actually don't know if this is our runway. We might be taxiing up to the other end, then turning around and then taking off. Wait, no. This is takeoff. Oh, what? This is takeoff. Holy crap! The Airbus A321 is actually powerful. The Airbus A321 is actually bloody powerful. Freaking hell. Woo! Speed. It's gonna feel so weird. Yeah. Oh, this has some power. Holy! How high are we already? Unusual. We're already this high. Whoa. Goodness, that was a quick climb. Going in there, sir. What is going on? Holy, we're turning! We're turning! Yay! I popped. Nice. Goodness, we are high. Goodness gracious, man. In real life, this is so high already. Bit of turbulence. Ooh, that effect on the back of the wings. See? There is Melbourne Airport. Well, no, that isn't. Well, there is an airport. Ready? 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 We're in the clouds, guys. Little bit of turbulence, but you know, she'll be right. She'll be right. Right, this cloud is insane. You can't even see the wing now. Mum, you can't even see the wing now. That's how crazy the cloud is. You can only just see it. Ready? We're about to come over it. Come on, we're so close. And I got my head out the sun. Ready? I got my head out the sun. I got my head out the sun. Oh, I see. I keep seeing the top. I got my head out the sun. I got my head out the sun. That's enough everything. as feeling. We're still climbing. Storm cloud, I think. I think that's a storm cloud. Melbourne's been having some crazy storms. Yesterday was a crazy thunderstorm. The squall warning. Yesterday there was a squall warning for Melbourne. Oh, sorry, not my iPad.
The cabin is now switched off the seatbelt sign. We do ask that you limit your movement around the cabin and don't change seats unless you've spoken to a member of the crew. We do recommend keeping your seatbelt fastened when seated in case of any unexpected turbulence. Shortly we'll be coming through the cabin to begin our service. We'll start with any prepaid items, followed by the service part. Please take a moment to have a look at your menus. They're located in your seat pockets. You're welcome to pay all major credit cards, including Amex, as well as debit cards with a Visa or MasterCard symbol. We do require your physical card upon purchase. We don't accept contactless payments. Alcoholic beverages are only available to purchase from the cabin crew. You're unable to consume any alcohol that you may have bought on board. A reminder that smoking, including e-cigarettes and vaping, is strictly prohibited. This does include inside all the lavatories. We do not ask you to sit back, relax, enjoy this flight. Anything you need, don't hesitate to ask.
Pringles. I want Pringles.
Green ones?
Yeah. Yeah, sour cream.
And you want a lemonade?
Yeah. And if I get to think later, I'm having another one. Okay. Thank you.
They'll come along in a minute.
A little bit of turbulence, actually. A little bit of turbulence, guys. So, I'm going to talk about my plan about Noosa, how I'm going to upload. I'm probably going to upload videos, maybe of me and like pool, playing in the beach. Maybe I'll make a video of like a challenge I could do with my friends, maybe. Yeah, I might do something like that, but so yeah, that's my plan. We're just chilling in. Yeah, we're not really going to be doing much in this. We're just going to be chilling, relaxing. I might record a couple of
Hello, Gemma. Good morning. The
down there.
captain speaking. My name is Darren Henderson. On behalf of First Officer Julian Yamaku, Lisa, your cabin manager, and your entire Jetstar crew, we'd like to welcome you aboard Jetstar 794, your service today to the Sunshine Coast. Presently climbing through 20,000 feet en route to our planned cruising altitude today of just under 10,700 metres above sea level. At this stage we're expecting smooth conditions. We have switched off the fasten seatbelt sign. You're free to move out the cabin. We do advise that while seated you do keep your seatbelt firmly fastened just in case of any unexpected turbulence we might encounter. Flight time is 1 hour and 57 to the sunny coast. First I'd like to apologise for the delay in departure. Unfortunately, this all goes back to yesterday. Actually, there are significant thunderstorms in Melbourne, and then this aeroplane went all the way to Bali and back after it arrived from flights domestically. So it was delayed significantly, like a lot of traffic around Melbourne yesterday. So unfortunately, going to Bali and back meant that it late arriving back here. So we're endeavouring to make up as much time as we can, and as I mentioned, 1 hour 57 minutes is our flight time, and touchdown time at the moment in the sunny coast is 11:48 in the morning. There is a time zone change there, so you'd like to adjust your watch back by 1 hour. We hope to have you disembarking not too long after that. Weather for arrival, surprisingly, quite good up there at the moment. It's been pretty wet and showery over the last week or so, but currently 27 degrees. Winds from the south, and at this stage, no showers in the area. So just prior to arrival at Sunshine Coast, myself or Julian will get back to you. In the meantime though, please sit back, relax, hope you enjoy the flight. We trust you had a great new year, and we certainly appreciate the fact you've chosen to fly with Jetstar today. Thank you.
Alright, so guys, as I was saying, so I also might record like thunderstorms there, because there are a lot of thunderstorms that loose for some reason. So I might record a couple thunderstorms. Yeah, I might record a couple thunderstorms and stuff like that. And yeah, that's all. So just telling you guys, Jetstar is my absolute favorite airline. And yeah. Alright guys, bye. Enjoy the rest of your day, and please consider liking and subscribing. Alright, bye.